How to track object in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here is how we are going to get this done. First things first, I'm just going to show you my file here or my video. So this is kind of like a person dancing and we're going to track this person around. Now from this point forward, what you're going to do is click this one. We're going to add this rulers and our guides. So I'm going to drag them. Click OK, and then we're just going to go ahead and toggle them both on. Now from here, you're just going to go over and basically drag this line here until you're kind of like in the middle. So I believe it's like that, and you're going to do the same thing here. So yeah, I'm just going to settle there. I know it's not very much centered, but it's going to be okay. Now we're going to go ahead and basically zoom it in, and from this point forward, we're going to start adjusting. So I'm going to click this keyframe here, make sure it is the beginning, and then we're just going to go ahead and adjust this one right there. So basically my tracking point is going to be the face or the nose of this particular guy, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move 3 keyframes and still adjust the X and Y values here. And yep, the only thing that I'm going to do basically is just this one. So I'm going to repeat the same thing until I am done. That's just basically what you're going to do, guys. Somehow it's quite time consuming, but this method is actually very effective if you really think that this is going to be very helpful for your project. Alright, so seems like we are done. As you can see, we have a lot of these keyframes added already. And I'm going to go ahead and play this for you guys. Basically, we still have these lines here, but I'm just going to remove them right now. And here's how it should look. So yep, that is how you're going to track object in Premiere Pro.